Where did they move the option to save my layouts in the Logos Bible Software Applications mobile version? That is the topic of today's questions, which came from Dr. Alfonso. Just want to say God bless you. Thank you so much for posting that question. I didn't realize they had changed the interface and had moved that option. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I've got Logos pulled up on my iPad here. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Well, let's go ahead and just create just a random layout. So I'm just going to select one of the defaults here, and we're going to say that's okay. Maybe we're going to make it something like this. We're going to add a third window here, and let's do the NET Bible here. So let's say I want to save this particular layout. So where would you do that? In the previous video, it would have been, I think it was in the left corner there, you would put up the options to save the layout, but they've changed things. In the bottom toolbar, there to the right section where it says tabs, you want to tap on that. So now you have this tab open. Of course, you can do several things here. You can create more tabs. So if I want to go and add another resource here, so we'll pull up the NOT here. Now I've got that. So I've got two tabs. Let's go back there. So you can do all the things you could before, but now what you want to do, if you want to save this layout, where it says two tabs with the down arrow, just tap there. So now you get your layout options to create a new layout, to save this current one and give it a name so you can always come back to it. You can also see your recently closed as well. Dr. Alfonso, this is where they moved it here. So everything is the same, even though the sort of the interface just been updated. I can save it, I can give it a name, and then everything you could do before, you now can do here. So this is where they move the layouts to. Well, anyway, family, that's all I have for you in this video. Just want to say God bless you. Also, if you're interested in Logos, there's been some serious updates. They now have a new subscription model. I plan to do a video on that as soon as I get some time to do so. But if you're interested, I have a link down in the description below, as I am an affiliate. So I appreciate you checking on that and clicking that link. The holidays are upon us, so Logos is going to have some serious deals coming up. So be on the lookout for that. Well, anyway, just want to say God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.